Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a subdomain for your main website. So I already have a website called guruhub.in. So this is my website guruhub.in. So I created a subdomain. A subdomain is you can give any name and it will be like xyz.guruhub.in for example. So similarly I created a subdomain for my image converter website. So this is just a tool which I can tell you how I created this with AI. So this image converter.guruhub.in. So this image converter. So this is my subdomain website that I've created. So I just bought a domain once and created a subdomain. Guys, so you can create subdomains. So I think there is some limit, but I think it's good enough which you can cover with the hostinger. So what I did, I went to the hostinger. So so here in the H panel, so the link I'm going to paste it in the URL, and so just follow the link. And here, what you need to do is you need to create a CNAME and give the name that you like. For example, I created around three subdomains: shopping deals, extract links, image converter. And what you need to do is, let's say you are creating a new domain. So here you need to give ghs.googlehosted.com and then click add record. Okay, so once you do that, the record will be added here. And what happens is you need to go to your Google Search Console, because once you add your domain, you need to associate your Blogger website with the subdomain that you are creating. Okay, yeah. So in the publishing, you click on in the publishing section. This is my blog address that I created for testing, and then click on custom domain. Here you give the name of the subdomain that you created in the H panel, and this is the main domain name that you created. So once you do this, don't forget to click enable this HTTPS availability. And one more thing, the most important thing is the Google Search Console. So how you do is you click on add property, and you click on the you type in the image converter, for example image converter.guruhub, which is your domain name, and then click continue. The moment you do that, it just says that the property is already added, and your ownership auto verified, because it says that since the domain is already connected to this, then you just need to add your subdomain and it's just done. So it's so easy guys with this. So I hope you like this video. Just follow this channel for more related content on this. Thanks for watching this video.